Hello, this is the Perennial Flower of the Year garden, and in the way these are chosen is either through the Delaware Landscape and Nurserymen's Association choice of Plant of the Year or the Perennial Plant Society of the Year. And we have had this garden for years before 2015. And in it, we try to plant, because it's a small garden, we try to plant a few of these, of both organizations' Plant of the Year. As you can see, we have a lot of milkweed. Well, these are volunteers. And we have fennel, but they benefit butterflies and caterpillars and all the things we want to encourage to come into the garden. But we have different types of plants, mostly ornamental onion, and we have iris and nepeta, and it is a very happy garden. And we also have a resident skink, and he lives here. His name is Wes, and so he watches over the garden when I'm not here. As you can see, there are a lot of bees that are enjoying this garden, and anytime that you would like to come and visit the garden, please come back here and visit it.